Good morning and welcome to Robinson Crusoe class discussion for Thursday. So now we're going to focus on chapters 11 through 12. Chapter 11 begins on page 125 with a paragraph that starts, "It would have made a Stoic smile." In this chapter, we see another reference to Robinson being king of his island. We get a detailed description of what Robinson looks like, and Robinson struggles with the footprint he found on the beach, doubting whether it was his own or the devil's, or someone else's. And we see Robinson become more devout in his faith. In chapter 12, which begins on page 137 with a paragraph that starts, "While this was doing," we learn that Robinson still fears the footprint, even though it's been 2 years since he found it. Robinson struggles with the idea of cannibalism, becoming physically sick at the idea, but he eventually reasons that a tribe's customs do not make them evil. He realizes that the Spaniards are the true savages in the Americas, not the cannibals. And I think we see a little foreshadowing when Robinson finds the he-goat dying in the cave. All right, just a reminder on the discussion board rules. In the DBs, you will be evaluated on the quality of your response to my prompts and the quality of your responses to your classmates. As a general rule, your responses to my prompts should be 4 to 5 sentences and include text evidence with an MLA formatted in-text citation. You must respond to at least 2 classmates' posts with 2 to 3 quality sentences. You can respond to more classmates, but I'm interested in quality, not quantity. So let's look at your DB. When Robinson finds the footprint, he is scared. Defoe writes, "Thus fear of danger is 10,000 times more terrifying than danger itself." This quote reminds me of another one by President Franklin Delano Roosevelt. "The only thing we have to fear is fear itself." How does Robinson's fear surrounding finding the footprint on the beach impact his actions over the next 2 years? Your best evidence is going to be in pages 130 to 137. And yes, you will need text evidence for this answer. Number 2, in chapter 12, which begins on page 137 at the top, going to page 150, we see Robinson's reaction to cannibalism. His reaction changes significantly. So why do you think Robinson was able to accept the savages' practice of cannibalism and eventually feel safe on the island? Make sure to include text evidence to support your answer. You only need to choose one of these questions to answer in your 4 to 5 sentences, or you can choose to answer both. Just make sure both answers are very complete. Then you'll need to respond to 2 classmates with a minimum of 2 to 3 quality sentences per response. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.